Is AI going to take over your SMMA? And I'm going to go over that exactly in today's video. I know I posted a similar video to this, but I wanted to harness more on AI taking over the SMMA world and where your SMMA currently stands, if it's gonna fail or grow during this time. So click the link below to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this. So when we think about AI, we think about making our life easier. As a business owner running an SMMA, you have multiple facets of the business. You have your onboarding, you have your sales, you have your copy, your landing pages, your tracking, your funnels, you have your lead nurture, you have all these things, and a lot of those are already controlled by AI, but the personalized touch of those things is not going to be pushed away. When clients come into your ecosystem, they know that AI is great, but it's not gonna have the personalized brand touch that they want from your SMMA. So yes, they can use AI to streamline their lead notifications. They can use AI to use Zapier and zap things into a Google Sheet and zap certain tags and notifications within their CRM. But when it comes time to writing emails and having SMSs, there's going to be customized times within your CRM or customized times in the sales process where those things can't only be AI based. They can be generalized, but if you want to have higher conversion rates, higher retention, higher, obviously, MRR, you need to be able to have a sustainable business that does have some type of personal touch. So you can't just onboard clients just through a type form. If you require them to be on a Zoom to obviously talk to them, set expectations, build that rapport from the jump because you are the first impression in the business, you need to take that approach with anything else through that sales process. So the sales call is with a person. Onboarding could be with a person, maybe an account manager, maybe not an onboarder, okay? Now they come in through AI. Maybe they go to Slack, they go to Basecamp, they go to all these different applications. Then we have ClickUp, okay? Or Monday.com. That's another piece of AI, another piece of software that you're using to automate your tasks and delegate and etc. So now what's next, right? You got, client landing pages, revisions. To build landing pages, you could use AI, but how are you going to swap logos? How are you going to do the right color codes and branding? Not all of that can be AI. Also, the businesses have different phone numbers, etc. So for a call rail or the platforms, it's going to be very hard to automate every single thing. You still need a personal touch and someone quality controlling, because the one thing that AI doesn't do is quality control for the prospect, for the brand, for the offer, right? Every business's offer is different. You can't just systemize an offer. That's going to require you to have strategy with the client, etc., so that you are pushing the right deliverables out. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you're running ads, AI can, maybe reply to comments within Facebook ads, but AI doesn't exactly know every single piece of targeting that you as the media buyer want to test, that you as the media buyer want to test the right copy. It can't always do that, but it can write hooks. It can write headlines. Chat GPT or whatever they want to call it right now, it's very much in the beta process, but it's able to write hooks, blog posts, articles, copy, CTAs. It can write those things, headlines, descriptions, right? It can write and find graphics that have done very well in your niche. It gives you these small little jumps that you can use to really streamline your sales process and just help you with fulfillment. That's really what AI is going to help you do, is fulfill faster and use human, artificial intelligence to make sure that those things are getting done in a timely manner. Because as much as you could say to a team member, hey, get this done for me by tomorrow, AI is going to make sure that that thing is getting done with check-ins, with notifications, with tags, with things inside of your task management software to make sure that shit is actually getting done. So that's where I see AI really taking over the SMMA, is more so on the copy side, verbiage, but not so much on the personal touch quality control spectrum. There's still things in your SMMA, but what it will help you do is cut a lot of your payroll. You're going to save a lot of money on expenses. You're going to be able to maybe, replace 5 to 7 employees within your business. There's a lot of things that you're not going to need to be doing anymore because of this whole AI movement. So I hope you guys enjoy my perspective on that. We're obviously using AI in my own agency, and we're excited we were able to cut our payroll almost by half just with AI alone in the past 6 months. So very, very excited to have increased margins and be able to make more money from my agency and obviously scale them, put out more videos and content and money and stuff like this. So hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for stopping by, and click the like and comment down below your feedback on that, and also subscribe to for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.